Imagine a world with almost no traffic accidents and a relaxing daily commute. This reality is closer than most may think. An autonomous vehicle is defined as a self-driving car capable of recognizing its surrounding environment and operating without any human involvement. These vehicles rely on complicated structures for functionality. Their sensors, actuators, complex algorithms, machine learning systems, and processors work together to execute the car's software. Autonomous vehicles use various sensors around the car to identify and map their surroundings. This technology also uses radar sensors to monitor nearby cars. Another key component is the LiDAR sensor, which works like echolocation but with light. LiDAR can detect distances, road edges, and recognize markings on lanes. Video cameras located in the front, rear, and sides detect traffic lights, read road signs, watch out for other vehicles, and look for pedestrians who could be on or near the road. The wheels on a vehicle have ultrasonic sensors that identify curves and use precise calculations to park. The car's advanced software will process every input the sensors receive, plot a path based on that input, and send detailed instructions to the actuator. The vehicle's actuator controls speed, acceleration, braking, and steering. The software has hard-coded regulations and rules, object detection and recognition, obstacle avoidance algorithms, and predictive modeling, which helps the car follow traffic laws while also navigating any obstacles it may encounter. To sum it up, autonomous vehicles use a wide variety of sensors to operate this complex machine.
About 20 years ago, the idea of autonomous vehicles was not fathomable to most people. However, in 2004, the United States government wanted to make them a reality. The Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, DARPA, put on a competition to see who could create an autonomous vehicle that could drive across the Mojave Desert. In the initial competition, the farthest distance traveled was only 7 miles on the course. Most cars flipped or rolled. In 2009, Google launched its self-driving project. They hired former DARPA employees and got it up and running within 18 months. They were able to create a car that could navigate through California's most challenging roads. However, the car still needed a little human involvement, which meant they weren't ready to function independently yet. One of the most concerning facts about autonomous vehicles while being developed was the safety of individuals. Not only do we have to worry about the comfort and care provided inside the vehicle, but we also have to consider external factors. Accidents are one of the main ethical concerns and challenges of autonomous vehicles because the question of who did it arises. On January 20th, 2016, a man in China died after ramming into the back of a street sweeper while driving in his Tesla Model S. The man's family attempted to sue Tesla because they believe autopilot was in use at the time. Although the case ultimately went nowhere, in 2018, Tesla changed the wording on their website by referring to autopilot as semi-automated. This incident highlights the danger and unforgiving nature of autonomous vehicles owned by multi-billion-dollar companies.
During this time, competitors began to create their own autonomous vehicles. Today, many companies like General Motors, Waymo, and Mobileye have at least one version of an autonomous vehicle that operates in public. In response to multiple incidents, manufacturers have been working to program AI to prioritize human safety above all else. Along with safety, these cars are also designed to be more efficient in traffic, allowing them to communicate and coordinate with other vehicles. This design will provide safety for those inside and surrounding the car, while minimizing traffic congestion and increasing the road capacity to help with traffic flow. Another benefit is improved accessibility for people who cannot drive due to disabilities. While these vehicles are without human error on the road, they still rely on a system that must evaluate and calculate large portions of data within a second for accurate decisions and predictions while driving on the roads. A single error in the software can lead to an accident which isn't always testable beforehand. Traffic laws will have to be modified to adopt these changes, as no one can be held responsible for a driverless vehicle. Additional concerns are focused on the pollution these vehicles produce when created. Autonomous vehicles eliminate CO2 emissions that a typical vehicle will produce through battery electric, hybrid, or hydrogen-based drives. However, they use most pollutant material, lithium-ion batteries. These batteries are flammable and can release toxic gases if damaged significantly. The possibility of these cars blowing up because of these batteries have proved to be a big safety problem and scare factor for many potential users. Autonomous vehicles are also predicted to make an irreversible carbon footprint by consuming large amounts of energy and increasing greenhouse gas emissions.
On the other hand, self-driving cars may be something we want. They offer numerous benefits that could revolutionize transportation and improve daily lives. These vehicles are efficient, provide independence for disabled and elderly, reduce traffic congestion, lower fuel consumption, and decrease carbon emissions. They also have the potential to save money through reduced insurance costs and fewer accidents. While there are still challenges to overcome regarding safety and risk issues, the benefits self-driving cars provide will make them desirable. This innovation is fascinating and one of the most rapidly advancing technologies today. It holds the potential to transform our future. Even though there are many unknown factors, we're intrigued by the idea of a future where transportation is safer, more efficient, and accessible to everyone. Autonomous cars bring together several advanced fields of technology, such as artificial intelligence, robotics, machine learning, and sensor technology. This groundbreaking technology raises important questions about how we live and interact with our environment as the future of self-driving cars becomes a reality. At the moment, self-driving cars are in a stage similar to elevators in the past. Nobody wanted to get into a metal box that mysteriously went up and down. That's why we had elevator attendants. As time progressed, society adapted to elevators, and now they are considered a norm. Autonomous vehicles will evolve in the same way. This innovation has the potential to make a real difference in the world. While there are many unknown factors and scary what-ifs, autonomous vehicles are considered the future of transportation.